Hello, this is Gene and Kyle. As promised, we have the unboxing of Hateful 8. And as usual, we'll have a free code if you decide you want that. So that's the first person that comments on it, and just give me your information, and I'll send you the code. Let's see if I can open this one better than I did last time. And it's not working that way. Someday I have to be ready when I do this. Alright. Below I'll put my review of this movie, which I had before. I don't think I did a full review, and when I did my top movies of the year, I talked about it. Talked about how Samuel Jackson should have won, or nominated for the Academy Award. This is the back. Once you take this off, okay. This is just like from the movie poster. That's Samuel Jackson, and there's Kurt Russell and Jennifer Lee and other players. Here's the front, and that's the stagecoach that they were on early in the movie, and you'll see the one white horse there. So it looks here, there, and there. Now let's open it up. It's not raised or anything. This does come in with, it comes with this. So if you want it, just let me know and I'll send you the code. This is how it is when you open it up. So it does come with two discs. One's a Blu-ray and one of them's a DVD. Show it to him. You can. Kyle's going to show you the Blu-ray. And then there's the DVD. Go like that. And there's DVD. Okay. And inside is just scenes from the movie. And this is a Best Buy exclusive, so you're not going to get anywhere else. And normally when they sell these out pretty quick. So if you don't get it this week, they'll go up to probably twice or 10% or $10 more than normal if you try to get it after. But there was about 7 or 8 of them at the Best Buy I was in today, so it should be hard to find it. It is one of the best movies of the year, even though I don't really like Mr. Tarantino and his political statements, because I think he's just uninformed, which most people are, unfortunately. But that's all we have, so if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and if you want the code for the movie, let me know down in the comments as well. And that's it. Kyle, say bye-bye.